Will AI replace software testers? This question is creating a lot of buzz in the tech industry. Some believe that automation and artificial intelligence will take over completely, eliminating the need for human testers. Others argue that no matter how advanced AI gets, it can never fully replace the expertise and decision-making skills of a human. But what's the truth? Is the role of software testers really at risk? Or is AI just another tool that testers need to adapt to? Let's break it down. AI-powered testing tools have advanced significantly over the past few years. Companies are now using AI to generate test cases, execute them at incredible speed, and analyze the results almost instantly. These tools can predict potential defects, optimize test coverage, and even perform regression testing with minimal human intervention. For businesses, this is a game changer. Faster testing means quicker releases, fewer bugs in production, and lower costs. Many companies are actively investing in AI-driven testing solutions because they improve efficiency and reduce the need for manual work. AI is already being used in several aspects of software testing test case generation. AI can analyze an application and generate test cases automatically, reducing the time testers spend on writing scripts. Automated execution AI-powered tools can run thousands of test cases in minutes, something that would take humans hours or even days. Bug detection and prediction machine learning models can study historical bug data and predict where defects are likely to occur in the future. Self-healing tests. Some AI-based automation frameworks can detect changes in an application's UI and update test scripts automatically, reducing maintenance efforts. Sounds impressive, right? With all these advancements, it's natural to ask, will AI completely replace software testers? The limitations of AI in testing. Despite its power, AI has some major limitations. Software testing is not just about running test cases, it's about understanding user behavior, thinking critically, and making judgment calls. And that's where AI struggles. Lack of creativity and critical thinking is one of the limitations of AI. AI operates based on patterns and data. It can follow instructions, but it can't think outside the box. Human testers, on the other hand, bring creativity to testing. They explore applications in ways that users might, finding bugs that automation scripts would miss. AI struggles with exploratory testing. AI is great for running predefined tests, but exploratory testing requires human intuition. Testers navigate applications, try unexpected inputs, and think like real users. AI can't randomly play around with an application to uncover usability issues. AI also faces context understanding issues. AI might detect an anomaly, but it doesn't always understand whether it's a real issue or just a false positive. A human tester can look at a bug and say, this isn't a real problem, or this could impact users in a major way. AI lacks that contextual awareness. Ethical and business considerations are, well, crucial in software development. Software isn't just about functionality, it's about user experience, security, and ethics. Human testers analyze whether an application aligns with business goals and meets user expectations. AI doesn't have the ability to make these high-level decisions. So, will AI replace testers? No, but it will change the way testers work. Instead of being replaced, testers need to adapt. AI is a powerful tool, and those who learn how to work with it will have a competitive edge in the industry. The real threat isn't AI itself, it's testers who refuse to evolve. Here's what testers need to focus on: learning AI and automation. Testers should get familiar with AI-powered testing tools and learn how to integrate them into their workflows. Focusing on high-level testing. Instead of spending time on repetitive tasks, testers should focus on exploratory testing, usability testing, and security testing, things AI struggles with. Developing soft skills. Communication, critical thinking, and problem-solving will always be in demand. AI can't replace human intuition. Understanding AI bias and limitations. AI models are trained on data, and if the data is biased, the AI's decisions will be too. Testers need to evaluate AI's results carefully. Final thoughts. AI isn't here to replace software testers. It's here to enhance the way testing is done. The testers who embrace AI and use it as a tool will thrive in this new era of software development. But what do you think? Will AI take over testing completely, or will human testers always have a place in the industry? Let me know in the comments.
Here is some bonus info that will clearly illustrate it more.
If your keyboard's your playground, you're a Rocky Coder. Enjoyed the lesson? Smash that like button and subscribe to Rocky Codes for more coding adventures. If your keyboard's your playground, you're a Rocky Coder. Enjoyed the lesson? Smash that like button and subscribe to Rocky Codes for more coding adventures.